Hey guys, I'm back with another custom video for you guys. So I like to make some bases for all my videos. Like in the previous one you have seen, that was kind of a continuation of my previous video where you have some parts of a build a figure series and you try to make something new from it or complete that action figure for say. So in here today we are using a similar trick, but here we are extending it to make some props. So here as you can see we have two figures in our consideration here. The first one is the Iron Spider and the second one is the Pegasus. So for the Spider-Man, as you may know, this is from the first series, the first time it was launched in the Infinity War wave of the Marvel Legends, where it doesn't have the tentacles. So for that I have used some toothpicks and some plain paper for the creation of these tentacles. My reference was the images from the Hot Toys, so that I have made some calculations for that. And as you might see that it has some volume in it, so that is simply by cutting individual parts, by drawing it on the paper and sticking the toothpicks on both sides of that paper, so that you may get some elevation. And after that, in order to smoothen the figure, we have used some adhesive which provides some volume to it, and in order to make it strong and fast track the process, we have used some quick glue as well. So this was regarding the Iron Spider. Now let's talk about the Valkyrie figure. So as we have all seen in the Thor Ragnarok and also in the Endgame movies, that she used to ride a horse with the wings named Pegasus. So if you are lucky, you might find a horse which already has some wings to it, maybe some unicorn or something, for which all you have to do is some custom paint or maybe just removing the horn. But in my case, getting a horse was quite difficult, that too which has wings. As in even in this case, you might, if you look closely, you will see that the horse is somewhat smaller in size in comparison to the action figure. So just like the Iron Spider, what I have done is simply used a wing as a reference. You can use any image, as in my case, and then on its inner side, as you might be able to see somewhat, used the same toothpicks, and even on the above side I have used the glue to give it the feather look. So like right now it's quite rigid, and I have used some double-sided tape and glue to stick it on the horse, and in order to cover up this joint, I smartly place the figure on it so that it won't be visible.